Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create sex in Infinity Craft. So let's get into the video. So once you've opened up Infinite Craft, so we're going to start off with earth. So earth goes with water. Okay, so earth with water. One sec, just got disconnected. Let me reconnect it. Okay, so once this is connected, so now what I'm going to do, so you're going to get plants. So plant with wind, you got a dandelion, and then dandelion with water. I'm going to give you a wine, and then wine with fire. It's going to give you alcohol, and we're going to leave it as it is. Again, we're going to start off with earth, with wind. It's going to give you dust, dust with wind again. It's going to give you sandstone, sandstone with water. It's going to give you oasis, oasis added with plant. It's going to give you a date. So now what you're going to do, you're going to go back to this alcohol. So alcohol added with dust. It's going to give you a drunk. So now we're going to do the drunk added with date, and that's going to give you a sex, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.